Delhi University has gotten its first pink booth, which will specially be staffed by female officers only. This is going to be a round-the-clock 24/7 booth catering to the needs of women in women's safety, right beside Miranda House College in DU. But the ground check and the ground report that we are bringing you is that how far and how well have these pink booths fared in the national capital? How many of them are there? How many of them are functional? How many of them are actually still pink booths and cater to the specific need for which they were brought about in the first place?
The Pink Booth initiative was launched by Delhi Police in October 2021 to enhance women's security and provide accessible police assistance in high footfall areas such as schools and colleges. The booths are to be staffed by female police officers. They're also meant to provide self-defense training with dedicated helpline numbers and mobile patrolling units.
पिंक बूथ का पर्पस तो यही है कि मेनली वी आर हेयर इन कैंपस एरिया, नॉर्थ कैंपस दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी। तो जो फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो फ्री फील करें, सेफ फील करें। अगर उन्हें कोई भी इशू है तो हमें अप्रोच करने में वी आर हेयर टू लुक अप्रोचेबल फॉर देम, राइट। और यहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ कई फैसिलिटीज़ हैं कि किसी भी तरह का उनका कोई भी इशू है, कोई साइबर कंप्लेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर कोई कुछ भी इशू उनका, वो हम तक ला सकती हैं।
The initiative marks a step towards ensuring college students in the area feel safe and have the closest place to file any complaint. Data from the Special Police Unit for Women and Children show there are nearly 120 pink booths across Delhi. But what is their current status? While North Campus gets its first pink booth, NDTV visited booths across South and Central campuses, and the picture is a stark contrast. Dusty, cracked windows, locked doors. No personnel are now the symbols of the fading promise of the Pink Booth initiative. Most of the booths we visited have been shut or non-functional for extended periods. But are students aware of these pink booths?
यहाँ पे और भी पुलिस बूथ्स रहे हैं इससे पहले भी, एंड आई डोंट नो how much of a control they have on the crowd here, because DU का crowd है, it's already very very rowdy, and you know people don't really listen because it's still youth. So I hope they are more vigilant. In terms of that, they are also women, so I don't know how many men will listen to them in the first place. That's also something, and I hope they don't just sit here and drink chai.
I also feel the same, that the booth is not functioning properly, even though I have taken that route most of the time, but still it's the same I see, and I actually don't know most of the time what's going on over there. It's just first time interacting you, I got to know about that thing.
Pink booth, this is the 13th one which we have started. In other pink booths also, they are in places where women footfall is very high. There we have limited time deployment, like it's not 24/7 at every booth, because that is not possible with the manpower that we have. So they are functional morning, evening, or the time when the footfall is high. So there are they are functional, and there were some issues, but they have been fixed. And yes, we are improving on day-by-day basis.
Locked, entwined in cobwebs and abandoned. This is what the ground reality is of many of such pink booths in the national capital. Now the main question is, why are these pink booths not functional when this is the main purpose of vigilance and the first point of contact for any incident reportage? We must, also look at the larger law and order situation in the capital with respect to crime, that these places should be functional. Then why are they being used as mere rest spots or storerooms for police officers? With camera person Ritvik Gugnani, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.